Weighing just 1 ounce, this pocket-sized drone helps soldiers get more information about their surroundings. The manufacturer asserts that thanks to this revolutionary technology, the drone's functionality has been enhanced to the level of large UAVs. In particular, the miniature device will help expanding the viewing area, especially in urban environments, detecting and identifying threats, and hitting targets that are out of direct line of sight. The unit is capable of staying in the air for up to 25 minutes, reaching up to 20 feet per second. It's equipped with a thermal imaging camera and GPS technology, and is able to operate in temperatures ranging from 14 to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Small but powerful, isn't it? The pilot climbs out of the cockpit, and then the helicopter takes off on its own and embarks on a mission. It sounds like a scene from a science fiction movie, but it's already a reality. Thanks to the Alias system, even a mass-production helicopter can be equipped for fully autonomous flights. The Black Hawk helicopter shown on the video successfully completed a 30-minute unmanned mission. The system not only followed the given instructions, but also could change the course of the flight in real time, adjusting to the situation. According to a test pilot, the new technology will allow switching between manned and unmanned modes with the flick of a switch. It'll come in handy not only for the military, but also for civilian purposes, such as commercial flights. So, don't be surprised if one day you don't see a pilot when you board a plane. Can a police shield withstand a 7-ton force? Yes, if it is made by the Czech company ESP. The shield withstands blows with bats, sharp weapons, steel pipes, shotgun blasts, and even collisions with the wheels of a pickup truck. Even when hit by a Molotov cocktail, it gets burnt, but it retains its protective properties. The secret behind this level of protection is a special kind of polycarbonate, which combines excellent visibility and resistance to all kinds of influences due to a well-thought-out shape of the shield. These shields are already being used in Estonia and Israel. Of course, this is no Captain America's shield, but it will definitely make a police officer feel safer. This Ford pickup is very popular as an upgrade platform for law enforcement and military tasks. You can also modify the vehicle using the tactical lifting system that you see on your screen. 2 ladders are provided for overcoming obstacles. The back one is located on a rotating base and will come in handy for storming buildings. And the front one allows you to quickly overcome walls, fences, and similar obstacles. The system is very simple and makes special operations easier. Also, the manufacturer is ready to adjust the design to meet the needs of the customer. The next vehicle, slightly similar to a Bobcat, will be useful not only for the police or the army, but also for engineers, rescue workers, and medical personnel. Depending on the situation, the car can be equipped with an armored deployment platform, a grapple claw, a hoist, or a hydraulic jack, which greatly expands the scope of application. The armor is capable of withstanding the impact of a .30 rifle round, and maneuvers can be controlled from the cab or remotely from up to 1,000 feet away. Thanks to the 98 horsepower engine, the bucket can be lifted to the second floor of an ordinary residential building, and it will support the weight of 4 people without any problems. The intelligent leveling system helps the vehicle not to roll over, even on difficult terrain. Another product from Israel is this tactical robot that looks like a skinny Wall-E. Engineers believe that this is the world's lightest ground robot of its kind. One of the models weighs only 16 pounds. The robot provides 360-degree visibility and can be equipped with up to 8 cameras. Thanks to its tracks construction, it's able to climb stairs, crawl through a pipe, and descend a rocky slope, carrying up to 22 pounds of payload. One charge is enough for 2 to 4 hours of work. There is a special remote control for convenient operation, to which you can connect several robots at once. What's more, the remote control is compatible not only with ground robots, but also with airborne and waterborne units. Remember old police movies where they use sledgehammers to break down doors? Today, you can do it much faster and more efficiently thanks to this device. It weighs 3.8 pounds and can be carried in a backpack by one person. One of its main advantages is its silent installation. All you need to do is place the system carefully in the doorway and then press the button. The break-in can be controlled remotely. Thanks to a special pneumatic hydraulic drive, the manufacturer managed to get rid of the characteristic sound of the pump that can scare away criminals. Perhaps the only significant disadvantage is that it only works on inward opening doors. Is it possible to quickly breach a door using a rifle? The answer is simple. Just use it to shoot this unusual grenade, and there you are. The grenade fits 5.56mm rifles and is equipped with 0.26 pound or 0.33 pounds of explosive, depending on the model. The total weight is 1.4 pounds, and it can be fired from distances of up to 98.4 feet. The special shape of the grenade maximizes the blast effect, affecting most of the surface of the door. In addition to the rifle option, the manufacturing company also produces a grenade that can be attached to the door by hand. The effectiveness of the invention has been appreciated in Belgium, Israel, and the United States. To help law enforcement, engineers from 2 Italian companies have created a system to track the use of firearms. This is possible thanks to the special electronic components in the weapon's casing. They don't affect balance, functionality, or safety while transmitting data on the location of the weapon, removal of the weapon from the holster, cocking of the gun, and firing. Thus, operators can quickly track the use of firearms and request additional data and quickly call for backup if necessary. There's also a video module that allows for quick identification of the perpetrator. All data is transmitted in real time. In addition, thanks to the data coming from the gun, technicians can plan service time more accurately. The creators of this modular system offer a quick way to assemble a fortification in the field. It allows you to build defenses that can withstand not only automatic weapons, but also mortars up to 120mm, as well as medium and heavy rockets up to 122mm. The system is very simple to assemble. It's tool-free, and only 2 or 3 people are needed. Firstly, a frame similar to wall bars is mounted, and then protective sheets are fastened to it. The finished blocks can be easily moved on trailers or trucks. The multi-layer construction provides reliable protection, and the damaged elements can be quickly replaced with new ones. This vehicle will help quickly calm down rioters. It's fully armored, protected against explosive devices and mines. Up to 12 people can be accommodated inside. The 480 horsepower engine ensures prompt arrival to the scene. The configuration includes a removable hydraulic ramming system for moving or destroying barricades, a loudspeaker and strobe system, a turret capable of rotating 360 degrees, and surveillance cameras with night vision mode. The equipment is so powerful that the manufacturer is ready to sell it only to governments, military, and law enforcement agencies. It wouldn't be right to give such power to the wrong people. Why make combat robots compact when you can build a mini tank? The creators of this incredible machine opted for more power and impressive size, creating a versatile fighting vehicle for a variety of tasks. The vehicle is equipped with 4 tracks and can carry up to 600 pounds of payload at speeds of up to 8 miles per hour. It has no problem getting through mud, sand, water, or rocks. With the optional fuel tank installed, the vehicle will run for up to 72 hours without making too much noise. To eliminate the enemy, the combat vehicle has a large caliber M2 machine gun. The system is capable of firing independently at a range of up to 0.75 miles. Remote control is facilitated by a rangefinder and a camera with thermal imaging. It looks like Terminator movies are now a reality. This gadget that resembles a metal detector will come in handy for quick and safe inspection of machinery and its premise. Thanks to the long handle of about 5.6 feet, the operator can quickly check the bottom of a car, a suspicious recess in a building, or other hard-to-reach place. The picture is displayed on a 7-inch color monitor. The device is able to work up to 5 hours on a single battery charge. It weighs about 3.3 pounds in its basic configuration. The construction is reliably protected from dust and moisture and works in the range from -4 to 122 degrees Fahrenheit without any problems. All in all, this magic wand would be envied even at Hogwarts. Special operations are always a high risk for law enforcement officers. So, engineers from an Israeli company decided that it's better to put a robot at risk than a live person. The robot can perform a wide range of tasks, from detecting to eliminating criminals. It weighs only 26.5 pounds and measures just 19.3 by 14.9 inches, so it can operate efficiently in confined spaces. Its top speed is 2.5 miles per hour. As a weapon, the robot uses a Glock 26 placed in a special container. It can shoot 5 times in 2 seconds. A clear picture at any time of day is provided by cameras with night vision option. 1 battery charge is enough to work for up to 5 hours.
Hey, stop being lazy, it's time to use that brain of yours. Welcome to Brain Time. Incredible facts from the past, the present, and even the future. The power of nature and wild animals, amazing facts and unsolved mysteries. You'll find all this and much more here. Subscribe now, you won't regret it.